This weekend, January 23rd through the 25th, a powerful winter storm will sweep across the United States. I'm going to go over the expected impacts of this storm. Okay, we'll start with the GFS model. A large swath of snow from Oklahoma to Massachusetts is likely. Uh, Totals could be higher than 10 to 13 inches if dry air can reduce and moisture go further north. That is possible, but there will be a lot of dry air. The latest models show dry air lowering, but could still hinder snowfall totals. If we take a look at the previous run, it stays pretty consistent. There is a larger area of snowfall. This could just be inflated and just a fluke. Not really buying this yet. It's not consistent enough. But the consistency with the heavy snowfall is pretty good. Now we're going to take a look at the European model. This is the model from last night. It has a swath in the general area of the GFS from 10 to 15 inches. This also has problems with it inflating the totals. It sometimes struggles with that. It could be 15 to 20 inches in some areas. It just depends on the moisture. If moisture can go further north than what some models are showing, then higher totals are likely. But the likely option is 8 to 13 inches. That's the best sounding forecast for now. If we look at the newest European model that came out late last night, it has stayed pretty consistent. And you got, 15, 14 inches, some higher totals as you go further north. Moisture will creep north as it moves east. This, with the GFS, gives me enough confidence for probably 10 to 15 inches from eastern Oklahoma through northern Arkansas, southern Missouri, western Kentucky, southern Illinois. And then as you go further east, more snowfall totals are probably likely, especially up here in New England. Again, these could be inflated. Probably are. But these models have been pretty consistent with 10 or more inches of snow in the Ohio and mid-Mississippi, lower Mississippi Valley, and part of the Southern Plains. Moving on to the freezing rain or ice totals. This is pretty significant. This will be the story of this winter storm. Significant ice from Texas all the way to North Carolina is likely. 1 inch or more ice accretion is expected with this storm. The locations could change. It's been wobbling back and forth, but Mississippi and Texas, Louisiana, Georgia, and the Carolinas will likely see half an inch to an inch of ice at the least, and could receive up to 2 inches the further east it goes. This is very concerning. An ice storm of this magnitude has really never happened in this area, and the infrastructure is not made for this. Preparations really need to be ongoing right now. This is a very serious situation. Trees will snap, power lines will snap, long duration power outages. for who knows how long. Like it could be a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. This needs to be taken very serious from Texas, Dallas area. You could receive over an inch or two of ice. And then into Mississippi, Georgia, North Carolina, you could receive 2 inches, maybe more. It is really concerning. Like this is crippling ice, historic potentially. It just really needs to be taken serious. I'm going to go through a closer look on totals with the latest GFS model. And this is the end of the video. I will likely be making more videos tomorrow and the day of this event on Saturday and Sunday, going over everything that's happened. I hope everyone takes this serious. Prepare now and just follow for updates. Follow your local news, your local National Weather Service. Just pay attention. It starts Friday night. It'll move east Saturday. This is, as you see here, majority of people will be affected on Saturday. That's when the biggest part of this event will occur. And then it'll move east and then into the New England area. You could also receive a lot of snow, as you can see here. And then ice totals. This is, like I said, the most important thing. You need to pay attention. If you live in these areas, please prepare now. Dallas, you could receive an inch of ice. Don't panic. Just prepare. Stay home if you can. Just be calm. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. I understand I'm new to this. I have loved weather for 4 years. I've wanted to make videos about this. This is my first one. Please, if you're watching, give me tips or, criticism is welcomed to help me get better at this. Thank you for watching.